Are you interested to make YouTube short? I am Sandra, and in today's guide video, I'll show you how to make YouTube short. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. On YouTube, press the plus sign icon at the bottom of the screen middle. Step 2. Press to create a short. Step 3. Prepare your video recording. If you look at the upper right corner, you can make your video 15 seconds or 60 seconds at the right section. You can press the flip to make it front cam or back cam. Next is speed to make it normal speed or 2 times speed. After that, you can press the time so you can have countdown before you start recording. You can also add filter depending on how you want to present yourself. There's also a green screen. If you want to have a background image or video, also you can turn on the lightings to make it lighter, and lastly the flash. Step 4. Select a music in the upper section of the screen. Step 5. Press the red circle to the record. Step 6. Edit your video depending on the changes you want. You can change the music or select another music after recording. You can also add text like this text really awesome text. You can edit it in the timeline, how long you want your text or music you or video you want it to be. And lastly, add another filter, and once you're finished, click next. Step 7. Add the details. Type the title you want for your video, and then press the visibility to make your video public, private, or unlisted. And you can also set a time when it will be posted. Lastly, select your audience, whether they are for kids or not. And for the comments, choose what you want. If you want to disable the comments or allow or hold potentially inappropriate comments or hold all comments. And finally, click the upload short. So, this is the way on how to successfully make a YouTube short. We hope this video is really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to like or subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions, make sure to leave it down to the comment sections. Thank you for watching.